చూడండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ గౌరీ, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో
Thank
మచ్.
you.
అండ్ మణికందన్ గారిని మాట్లాడాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నన్ను తప్పుగా అనుకోకండి, ఎందుకంటే ముందే చెప్పాను, తెలుగు అంత ఫ్లూయెంట్గా రాదు. ఇందులో ఏ మాటలు తప్పుగా వస్తే నన్ను దయచేసి శ్రమించండి. నాకు అసలు ఇక్కడ షేర్ చేయడానికి థ్యాంక్స్ తప్ప ఇంకా ఏవో కొత్తగా లేదు, ఎందుకంటే ముందే ఆ ట్రైలర్ లాంచ్ ఇవ్వాలనే నేను మాట్లాడాను. ఫస్ట్లీ ఐ వాంట్ టు థ్యాంక్ the director, Mr. Prabhuram Vyas, and the producers who are the sole reason for this film to happen, Mr. Nazarat sir, Mr. Mahesh Raj sir, and Mr. Yuvraj sir. Without these three people, this film wouldn't have been possible. And because we never expected this film to because we have given some topographical importance as this film is going to happen in and around Chennai. But thanks to Maruti sir and SKN sir for believing in us, for believing in our vision, so that they extended this film's span, this film's life to another set of audience. Thank you so much. And the reception that I'm getting for my previous films, Jai Bhim and Good Night, from Telugu people is tremendous. The messages, the phone calls, whenever I visit Hyderabad, people who voluntarily, the support that I got is exceptionally overwhelming, and I believe that it will continue with True Lover also. And I want to thank media, Telugu media, because they have written so much for Jai Bhim and Good Night. Thank you, because you totally considered as the actor in the same land, and you extended so much support. And I believe I'm so much grateful, and I believe it will definitely extend for this project also. And I believe this film will perform as it performed last night in our premieres in the theaters. February 10th it is going to get released, and I'm so excited and nervous that how it is going to get received. Thank you so much.